Welcome to my channel. Mywifiext not working after reset iPhone. 1. Ensure extender is powered on. Check that the Wi-Fi extender is plugged in, powered on, and has a stable power connection. 2. Reconnect iPhone to extender. Open Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone and reconnect to the extender's network, SSID. Look for a default name like Netgear_EXT. 3. Check extender placement. Make sure the extender is within the range of your router's signal and positioned in a location with minimal interference. 4. Access Mywifiext.net. Open a browser on your iPhone and go to http://mywifiext.net. If it doesn't load, try the extender's default IP address, like 192.168.1.250. 5. Reset extender settings. If the extender was reset, you may need to reconfigure it. Press the reset button on the extender for 10 seconds and set it up again. 6. Log into the extender. Use your admin credentials to log into mywifiext.net. If you forgot them, use the default username, admin, and password. 7. Reconfigure the extender. Follow the on-screen setup wizard to reconnect the extender to your router's Wi-Fi network. 8. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi on iPhone. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, select the extender network, tap Forget this network, and reconnect with the correct password. 9. Clear browser cache. If mywifiext.net still doesn't load, clear your browser's cache on your iPhone or use a different browser. 10. Update extender firmware. Check for firmware updates through the extender's admin panel to fix potential bugs causing connection issues. Thank you for watching.